this is going to be my final discussion on FOIL and derivatives, okay? And we're going to go back to an equation that we've been working with for quite some time. Y equals ax squared. Now this is all simple enough. Let's say you take the first coordinate right here, the 2, and you punch it into that equation. Well, 2 squared is 4, and 4 times a gives you 4a. So, your x coordinate is 2, your y coordinate is 4a. Same thing over here. We have the x coordinate, which is 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 times a is 16a. Okay? So, we're going to say that the second coordinate, which is this 16a, is going to be represented by a times x plus delta x squared. How do we justify this? Alright, we know that x is 2, delta x is 2 more, because if you're going to add 2 to 2, you're going to get 4. If you take that 4, you square it, it's going to be 16a, which is this right here. So that's your y coordinate. Then you're going to have ax squared. Now how do we justify this? Well, we have the 2 here, we square it, and it becomes 4, and 4 times a is 4a. So we have 16a minus 4a. Now what about this over here? Well, you had your x plus your delta x minus x, okay? So basically you had 2 plus 2, because x here was originally 2. We added 2 more to that, and then we subtracted 2 from that, which was your original x, leaving the delta x as the only thing left. Alright. So, we're going to use the FOIL method once again. We're going to factor this out. We have x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus ax squared, all divided by delta x. We take all 3 of these terms times a here, and we have ax squared plus 2ax delta x minus delta x squared minus a delta x, ax squared, all divided by delta x. Well, these ax squared here and this ax squared here, they cancel each other out, and that leaves 2ax delta x plus delta x squared divided by delta x. If you divide both of these terms by delta x, you'll end up with 2ax delta x plus delta x. And of course, if you zero out delta x, you'll be left with 2ax, which is what you would have had originally from the first time we did the FOIL method. Okay? That's what you've been looking for. All right. I think you were able to follow along on this. If you weren't, let me know. Leave me a comment. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.